Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing in your life wherever you are. I welcome you all to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. And this is your December love reading for December 2020. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. This is your extended love reading, okay? So this is not going to resonate with each of you as this is your general love reading, okay? So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest, Aquarius, okay? Leave the rest. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. I don't read reversals, Aquarius, and gender is not specific. Okay, I have already posted your main reading. You can check it out, but in this I'm going to tell you one more time the brief, the main reading, what was your main energies for you for December 2020. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get any important message. You can get all the important messages which are important for you, Aquarius. So Aquarius, there is someone around you who is not good at all for you. Their words exploring options, they were manipulating you basically, okay? This King of Wands is there, who was who is having sneaky behavior, manipulation, cheating, lies, and they put you always in a third party situation. They always broke your heart, okay? Three of Swords, Seven of Swords, King of Wands, and they always explore their other options. They always keep their options open, okay? Other than you, they always explore other options, okay? So there is someone with whom you were either married. Hierophant is there. So either you were married to this person, this King of Pentacles is there. But before that, I'm going to tell you that you are someone who is Queen of Cups, okay? You is fine. You are emotionally stable. You love emotions. You care a lot, okay? But this person is King of Pentacles. Can you see? This is not your match, Aquarius. This is not your soulmate with whom you are dealing with right now, okay? This King of Pentacles is someone who is financially stable or grounded, but for them finances are more important than emotions, okay? You both are either committed to each other for long period of time, or you both are married to each other. The Hierophant is there, but this energy is not good for you. Why I am saying it? Because there is Knight of Wands, Page of Swords and Five of Swords, okay? So there are conflicts around this person. They always keep tabs on you. They always spy on you through social medias, WhatsApp, Instagram, okay? And they are player kind of energy, okay? Knight of Wands, they will play with your emotions and they will ghost you again. There is in and out energy, but this situation is getting end, Aquarius, okay? You're putting an end to the situation. The Death card is there. You're putting an end to this Ten of Pentacles, abundance of everything. You want to achieve Ten of Pentacles with this person, but you are putting an end to the situation. Why? Because you know that this person is a devil. This person is toxic. This person is not good for you, and that's very good. You want to come towards calmer waters, but you are unable to come towards calmer waters. But don't worry, you will come, Aquarius. This person is not good for you, okay? This person is toxic and there is conflicts around this person always. Whatever you can do, whatever you want to save this relationship or with this person, you can't do it. Let me see what are the meaning of these cards. Let me clarify these cards so that I can more explain you about these cards. Please clarify. Please clarify Seven of Swords. Please clarify Seven of Swords. What is Seven of Swords? Please clarify Seven of Swords. Five of Wands. Okay, so there is always a conflict around with this person. Okay, Aquarius, 5 of Wands and 5 of Wands both are there. 7 of Swords is clarified by 5 of Wands. So conflicts are there. Please clarify, King of Wands. Clarify, King of Wands. This energy is not good at all for you, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 7 of Swords again. 8 of Cups and 7 of Swords. You are walking away from this person or what? Wheel of Fortune is moving to... You were trying to achieve, again 10 of Pentacles is there. A King of Wands is clarified by King of Wands. Okay, so you want to achieve 10 of Pentacles, abundance of everything with this person. But the Wheel of Fortune is moving towards... Wheel of Fortune is there. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Okay, let me clarify one more thing. The 7 of Swords is there. Bottom of the deck, 7 of Swords is there. This person is sneaky. Okay, please clarify, King of Wands. Clarify, King of Wands. Clarify, King of Wands. Clarify. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Death card. Again, Death card. You're putting an end to this situation. There is 3 of Swords again. 2 of Swords. You are unable to make a decision, or they are unable to make a decision. Okay, you are putting lot of efforts and time. You already done lot of work in this situation. A lot of work, lot of time, efforts, everything in this relationship. But this person is unable to make a decision to choose between you or other options. Okay, they always put you in a third party situation. 3 of Swords is there. Okay, 3 of Swords and 3 of Swords both are there here. Okay, 3 of Swords and 3 of Swords. So this is someone who always put you in a third party situation, who is unable to make a decision basically. And if they cannot make a decision, Aquarius, you have to leave as soon as possible. That's my advice for you. Leave them as soon as possible. Okay. Please clarify, King of Pentacles. Please clarify. Moon. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 7 of Wands. Okay, so you are guarding your energy. You are getting defensive for this person because you know there are some secrets hidden from you, and you are right, Aquarius. Okay, the Moon card is there. There are some secrets which are hidden from you, which you don't know. Okay. Please clarify, Devil. Clarify, Devil. Please clarify, Devil. No. Clarify, Devil. What is the meaning of Devil? Too many cards. Please clarify, Devil. Communication is coming towards you, Aquarius, and justice is being served in your case. You are taking the energy of Hermit. You are doing some kind of soul searching. You want to move forward in a forward direction. You do not want to stuck in a situation, okay? You know what is right and what is wrong with you, okay? Communication is coming towards you. Lot of communication is coming towards you, and justice will be served in your case. But I don't find the clarification of Devil. Please clarify, Devil. You thought that this is your twin flame, but this is not your twin flame. You're guarding yourself against it. 9 of Wands, and 9 of Wands was the starting energy for you. Okay. Clarify, Queen of Cups. Clarify, Queen of Cups. King of Cups. Queen of Cups is clarified by Queen of Cups. And Six of Swords is there. There is someone who is your soulmate, yeah, who is giving you new hopes and desires, okay? The Star card is there. Clarify Queen of Cups. Clarify Knight of Wands. Please clarify what is the meaning of Knight of Wands. You're leaving this person behind, okay? Five of Pentacles is there, bottom of the deck. You want equal amount of give and take, Aquarius. Six of Pentacles is there, okay? But they always put you in a third party situation, okay? There is always a third party involved in your relationship, involved in your situation, okay? Three of Pentacles is there, okay? They are manifesting you. The Magician is there. They are manifesting with you. The Devil is all again there, okay? For this Knight of Wands. And they're keeping their strength with you. They're keeping their strength with them. Okay, this is not good for you. The Devil has come again. They are manifesting you basically. This is the clarification of it. Knight of Wands is the Devil. So don't get attracted, okay? Don't get attracted. But you are not attracting at all. You are leaving them behind. You are leaving the situation or person behind. And you're moving towards a calmer waters. You're moving in a forward direction. Okay, clarify Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, you are guarding yourself, you're protecting your energy. Let me see. What does the Death card mean? What is ending? Please clarify death. Please help me out to clarify the death. Aquarius, yes, you are completing some kind of cycle. You are taking the energy of Emperor, okay? Sun is there, bottom of the deck. So new beginnings are happening for you, okay? You are holding back, okay? You're taking the energy of Emperor. You are someone who... Now you're taking the charge of your life, okay? And there is your wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups is there. You're completing some kind of karmic cycle, okay? The World card is there. You're holding back. You are taking the control of your life, basically. You're taking the energy of Emperor. That's very good. Please clarify Ace of Cups. Clarify Ace of Cups. King of Swords. Okay. Clarify Ace of Cups. Bottom of the deck, again I'm having Eight of Cups. Okay, Eight of Cups and Eight of Cups is there. So, they were trying to give you some kind of emotional fulfillment. Okay, they were offering their cup. But you know the truth, Aquarius. You know the truth that there is only conflicts around this person. Five of Swords. And you will always you will be in this kind of energy. Nine of Swords, sleepless nights. You always can't be able to sleep properly at night because of these conflicts. But Death card is there. You're putting an end to this situation or relationship. Okay, what is Five of Wands? Clarify Five of Wands. Yeah, King of Pentacles. Leave this person as soon as possible, Aquarius. There is only conflicts around this person. King of Pentacles, secrets hidden from you. The Moon card and the Five of Wands again is there. So there is this this King of Pentacles. It can only give you conflicts. Okay. And here I was getting Five of Wands again, and there is Seven of Swords. Okay. So I can tell you like this, that this energy is not good for you at all. Can you see King of Pentacles, Five of Wands and Seven of Swords? There is always conflicts around this person. They always manipulate you. Okay, they always manipulate you. They always tries to, there is always lies, cheating, manipulation going on with you. What is Three of Swords? Please clarify Three of Swords. Please clarify. Yeah. You are not accepting the cup from them. You are not accepting the cup from them. Four of Cups. You are saying no more mind games. No more things. You're getting success. You're getting success. Recognition in Lovers is there. So yeah, you both were in a relationship. They were trying to give you an offer. The Four of Cups is there, but you're not accepting the cup because they always put you in a third party situation, Aquarius. Four of Swords, Five of Pentacles. Leaving this person behind and taking the energy. You're resting and rejuvenating yourself. Okay. I was taking the clarification of Five of Swords. You are walking away from this person. You are leaving this person behind. Okay. And right now you are resting and rejuvenating yourself. That's very good. Why there is Seven of Cups? I know why there is Seven of Cups. Yeah, see again High Priestess and Six of Cups. This person is from your past. Okay, High Priestess. You know that they are keeping their options open. You are using your intuitions, Aquarius. High Priestess and High Priestess. You are using your intuitions, and you know this person is exploring other options other than you. Knight of Wands, bottom of the deck, and Ten of Wands. Okay. I was doing the clarification of Eight of Cups. You're carrying lots of burden on yourself. Okay. This is a player kind of energy. They will come again and will play with your emotions and they will vanish again. So this was your clarification, Aquarius, today. This was not a good energy for you today. Okay, I am feeling very heavy while doing your energy, while doing your reading. 1 minute, I need to clarify. Okay, so I'm going to give you the advice from the divine. Let me see what is the advice from the divine, from the universe. Please give me the advice for the Aquarius all over the world. Give me the advice. What is the advice for Aquarius? Please give me advice. Princess of Swords. You know the truth, Aquarius. You know the truth. You know the truth that they are exploring other options. Don't feel stuck. Okay, you know the truth. Seven of Cups. Eight of Swords. What is the advice for Aquarius? Please, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the advice for Aquarius. Hierophant has come again. Okay. Please give me advice. You know the truth, Aquarius, this King of Wands is exploring other options other than you. Okay, the Hierophant, the Three of Cups, and the King of Wands. This is the advice for you. You know the truth, okay, that they are exploring their options. Okay, you know this. Either maybe some of you are feeling stuck or restricted, you are unable to move in a forward direction, and you are married to this person. Hierophant has come again for you, Aquarius. So either you are married to this person or you both were committed to each other long period of time. This King of Wands, again King of Wands has come. Three of Cups is there. In normal ways, Three of Cups is all about celebration and all, but in today's reading I am getting Three of Cups is all about Three of Swords. Okay, third party situation. It will never again, from today's reading I can say that this is your karmic soulmate, Aquarius. This is not your divine counterpart. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. See, Nine of Swords again. You will always have sleepless nights if you are with this person. Seven of Wands, bottom of the deck. So protect your energy, Aquarius. This energy is not good for you. This is not your divine counterpart. This is your karmic soulmate. So today, this is the reading for those who are with their karmic soulmates. Whether I never specify this because I do the general reading, but today I am getting the energies for those Aquarius who are still dealing with the karmics ones, okay, which are there with the karmics one. Okay, so that was the reading for you, Aquarius. Let's summarize your reading one more time. And this is your karmic soulmate, Aquarius. This is not your divine counterpart. And it's good that you are putting an end to the situation. You are leaving them behind, and that's good, because this is not your match. This is not your divine counterpart, okay? So there is a King of Pentacle and King of Pentacle, okay? So there is a King of Pentacle and King of Pentacles. They're keeping secrets hidden from you, Aquarius. There are some conflicts around this person, okay? Why I am saying that? Because I'm having Five of Wands and Five of Wands. I'm having Five of Wands and Five of Wands, okay? 2 times there is conflicts around this person. And Five of Wands was clarified by Seven of Swords. Lies, cheating, manipulation going on with you. Okay. There is Three of Swords and Three of Swords. They always put you in a third party situation. They break your heart. They broke your heart. This is not a good energy for you. This is not your divine counterpart, Aquarius. Okay. You are using your intuition, and that's very good. Use your intuitions, okay? Your intuition will guide you properly. They're keeping their options open. This King of Wands is there. They're keeping their options open, okay? King of Wands and King of Wands, okay? So the King of Wands is the King of Pentacle. You are guarding yourself. You're protecting your energy, okay? Your defenses are high, and that's true. That's right. You're right, doing the right thing. Because this is not a good energy for you. You thought that this is your wish fulfillment, but this is not your wish fulfillment, Aquarius. Nine of Cups, okay? This is not your wish fulfillment at all. I can say that, because this is the karmic one. This is not your divine counterpart. Devil is there 2 times in your reading today. So this person is the toxic one. This is they will always manipulate you. This is not a good energy for you, Aquarius. Okay, someone who is very obsessive for you, narcissist. Okay, controlling, obsessive. That is devil. So this, stay away from this energy, because they will come again, they will play with your emotions, and they will vanish again from your life. Okay, Knight of Wands, in and out energy, red flags. So clear your see properly, Aquarius, and it's good that you are not accepting cup from them. Don't accept the cup from them. You have already spent lots of sleepless nights with this person. You are unable to sleep properly at the night, and your defenses are high. You're guarding yourself, you're protecting yourselves. There are some conflicts around you with this person, and there will be conflicts around this person always. The 5 of Swords is there. They're spying on you, they're keeping tabs on you, and it's good that you are walking away from this person. 8 of Cups is there. So that was your reading, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, let me add one thing more in this. What are the messages for Aquarius? Help me out to deliver any message which is important to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. See, change tracks, right? That's what I'm saying. You need to change your track, Aquarius. This is not say no. Say no. Say no to this person. That's what I was getting message before opening this deck. That say no to this person. This is not your match. This is your karmic one. Give me the message which is important. Look forward, Aquarius. Look forward. Engage higher reason, okay? Do all things in moderation. Be of service. Forgive and forget, okay? Forgive and forget. Say no to this person as soon as possible. Okay, so that's it. So that was the message for you, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. So this is not your match. This is the karmic one which you are dealing with. Okay, this is not going to resonate with each of you, Aquarius. This is specifically for those Aquarius, for those timeline Aquarius who are still dealing with the karmic ones. Okay, they are still attached, still dealing with the karmic ones. That's the message for you. So say no is the message for you. Don't say yes. Stay away from this energy. This energy is not good for you. This is the toxic, sneaky behavior. Learn your lesson. Forgive and forget and move forward in a forward direction. That's very important for you. So this was the message for you, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to my beautiful magical beings all over the world. See you soon, Aquarius.